Have you ever considered that divorce mediation can actually save your family? I'm Gerald Maggio, California divorce mediator, licensed divorce attorney, and founder of California Divorce Mediators, where we offer an amicable, lower-cost way to resolve your case at a fraction of the cost and time of a traditional divorce case. In this video, I'm going to explain some of the ways that divorce mediation can actually save your family from financial and emotional distress and ruin. Number one, traditional divorce is very expensive and can deplete assets. What I mean by that is litigation in a traditional divorce case can cost tens of thousands of dollars. Spending all the time in court, spending a lot of money, it will not only cause you to spend your hard-earned income to pay for that, you will also deplete assets. You're going to have to drain bank accounts, you might have to liquidate a 401k account or get a loan on a 401k or borrow money from someone that you're going to have to pay back, and it will simply leave you in a worse financial situation than you're starting in most cases, because it will be very costly in many situations. Number two, and this is a big one I think you really need to understand and consider, which is that traditional divorce can harm your children's educational and future options. What I mean by that is, if you're spending a lot of money going through a divorce case, that money that's being paid to attorneys and experts, whatever is going on in your divorce case, that will likely affect where your child's going to be able to go to college, because where's that money coming from? It's going to prevent you from saving money for college. It's going to prevent you from paying for college while, if you're in a situation where you're going through divorce while your kids are in college. How is that going to affect your ability to send your kids to college or send them to a better college than they could otherwise go to? Number three, the traditional divorce process can affect children psychologically and emotionally for years to come. What I mean by that is, a contentious divorce case can lead to a situation where children are affected emotionally and psychologically. They're damaged. Depending on how difficult and acrimonious the parents are to each other, children feel that, children are receptive to that, and in the end, that can affect their academic performance, that can affect their extracurricular activity performance. In the end, that's likely going to be a situation where they're harmed, they're not going to be at their best, and in turn, that has hurt them because you're in a situation where you have a divorce litigation that is difficult, costly, expensive, and again, the biggest thing is it's damaging to children. Finally, traditional litigated divorce can put people into debt. I mentioned earlier that traditional divorce can cause people to deplete their assets. Well, it oftentimes doesn't just stop there. It can lead to a situation where parties are having to charge up credit cards for tens of thousands of dollars. They may have to get loans that will take years to pay off. That in turn will be something that puts families at great financial strain that they will take a long time to recover from. And that's what I mean by divorce mediation being able to save families. If you can avoid the expense of an ugly divorce case by going through a divorce mediation, trying to work out your differences outside of court, you will end up in the situation where you will have a lot less financial strain on a family, and you will have a situation where you can move forward with a different life, unfortunately, if you're going through a divorce, but one where you're not burdened by substantial debt, depleted assets, harmed children, you name it. Divorce mediation is simply a better option. But let's be honest, money is money. The biggest thing you can consider if you have children is that divorce mediation can help avoid the emotional and psychological harm that traditional divorce, contentious divorce cases oftentimes cause. Contact us for more information about next steps and come work with us, where we'll show you how to resolve your divorce case through our proven and effective divorce mediation methods. If you like this video, feel free to subscribe to our YouTube channel at the end of this video for more helpful information about divorce and family law issues. See you next time.